let us consider this problem. If angle B and angle Q are acute angles such that sin B is equal to sin Q, then prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. So first of all, we should have some diagram. Let us draw this diagram. Angle B and angle Q are acute angles such that sin B and the sin Q. So we have got two triangles here. That is a triangle ABC, right triangle, and another triangle is PQR. Angle B and Q are acute angles. So in triangle B is acute angle. So this should be C. And similarly in PQR, Q is the acute angle. So definitely R should be here. So this is the way we had to draw the diagram. Now, if B and Q are acute angles, so this is acute. What do you mean by acute angle? Acute angle is less than 90 degree. So definitely it cannot be 90 degree. So it should be less than 90 degree. Such that sin B and the sin Q are equal. So sin B, sin of B is equal here. Sin of B is equal to sin of Q. Then prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. So these are all given. Now to prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. Now let us consider sin A, not A, sin B. Sin B is equal to, now let us identify the hypotenuse, opposite side, adjacent side. As I already mentioned, the side which is opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse. Similarly, this is hypotenuse. And the side which is opposite to the angle under consideration is opposite side. So this is the opposite side and this is adjacent side. Similarly, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. Now we know the formula. Sin B is equal to, that is sin B is equal to opposite by adjacent, opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. So this is the basic thing we should remember. So in that case, sin B is equal to, what is opposite side in triangle ABC? That is AC divided by hypotenuse AB. Similarly, in triangle PQR, where it is right angled at R, now sin Q is equal to PR, opposite side, divided by hypotenuse PQ. We have already given sin B is equal to sin Q, that is given. So based on that, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So the LHS are equal, is it not? So sin B is equal to sin Q, that is given. Therefore RHS must be equal. Therefore PR by PQ is equal to AC divided by AB. Okay, AC divided by AB. So let us say this is a constant K. Okay. Now let us consider BC based on the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So let us apply Pythagoras theorem for triangle ABC. So according to Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, that is, let us consider this triangle. AB squared is equal to AC squared plus BC squared, is it not? So hypotenuse is AB squared. Therefore, AB squared, that is hypotenuse squared, is equal to AC squared plus BC squared. So we want to know what is BC, what BC is. So BC squared is equal to, you can bring AC this side. So AB squared minus AC squared. And taking square root on both sides, so BC is equal to the square root of AB squared minus AC squared. Okay. So similarly, we have the PQR. This PQR, let us consider this PQR. This PQR is equal to, in triangle PQR. Okay. So here let us apply, in this case, PQ squared. PQ squared is equal to, that is PR squared plus RQ squared. PR squared plus RQ squared, right? And we are interested to know what QR. Okay, so QR, RQ are both the same. So QR squared is equal to PQ squared minus PR squared. So QR is equal to, taking square root 2, so PQ squared minus PR squared. Okay, are you able to follow? Right. Now we know this equation, PR by PQ, is it not? That is, PR by PQ is equal to AC by AB, that is equal to K. So let us find out, that is BC here. We have got this BC. Okay, let us have BC. So BC divided by QR. Okay, BC divided by QR, the corresponding sides of two triangles, BC by QR. Okay, is equal to, now let us have this, BC is nothing but AB squared, is it not? So AB squared minus AC squared, the whole square root, divided by square root of PQ squared minus PR squared. Okay, so therefore we can take square root here, and we already know, that is this AB squared. AB squared is what? That is, here we are given AC is given here. Okay, so we have AC by AB, is it not? AC by AB is equal to K. And what is AC? K into AB. So instead of AC we can put what? That is K into AB. So square root of AB squared minus, and then you have here K into AB, is it not? So we can introduce this one. Similarly, here we have PQ also. Okay, so in that case we have AB squared minus AC squared. Instead of AB squared, we can write in terms of PQ, because it is already given here. Remember this, that is PR divided by PQ is equal to AC by AB. So both of them are constant, is it not? If both of them are constant, we can equate. So in that case, that is, we can put, instead of AB squared, you can put, that is square root of, instead of AB squared you can put KPQ, that is K squared PQ squared. And similarly for this AC, we can introduce what? KPR, that is K squared PQ, is it not? So K squared, sorry, PR squared, K squared PR squared, whole divided by square root of PQ squared minus PR squared. So we can take K squared common, okay, K squared common, so we can put PQ squared minus PR squared whole divided by square root of PQ squared minus PR squared. Now let us continue. Here so this is equal to, that is this BC by QR is equal to, we have K squared that can be taken outside the square root, so it becomes K into the whole square root of PQ squared minus PR squared whole divided by PQ squared minus PR squared. So these two can be cancelled, and once again BC divided by QR is equal to K. So this is another set. So here we have got already PR by PQ, that is equal to AC by AB, that is equal to K, okay, and we have another set of equation, that is BC by QR is equal to K. So in that case all these ratios are same, that is PR by PQ is equal to AC by AB, that is equal to BC by QR, that is equal to K. Since all of them are K, now we can show that, that is PR by PQ, AC by AB, BC by QR. So we can apply the similarity theorem here. So therefore the sides, the corresponding sides, the ratio of corresponding sides are equal, okay, and therefore the corresponding angles should also be equal. Now listen here, it is given PR by PQ, that is PR by PQ is equal to AC by AB, that is AC by AB, that is equal to BC by QR, that is equal to BC by QR. It means the corresponding sides are equal here. Okay, since corresponding sides are equal, according to theorem of similarity, we can say corresponding angles should be equal, is it not? So corresponding, take down, corresponding side ratios, not corresponding sides, corresponding sides ratios. So the ratios of, take down, the ratios of corresponding sides are equal in two triangles, okay, therefore corresponding angles are equal in similar triangles. Okay, so it means ABC and PQ are similar triangles, is it not? And therefore that is ABC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, okay. So this you have to note down, and based on that we can show that corresponding angle means here B and Q are corresponding angles, C and R are corresponding angles, P and A are corresponding angles, and based on that we can show that the angle B is equal to angle what? Q, okay, hence the proof. right? Now let us summarize this problem. So this is the final answer. Okay, now what are the key steps of this problem? Angle B and R, Q are acute angles such that sin B and sin Q are sin Q equal to sin Q. Then prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. So it means sin B is equal to sin Q. This is the first given property. And what we are supposed to prove? We had to prove this one. So how we have initiated? That is, this is the formula. And what we have done based on that, we are able to arrive at the ratio and prove that that is constant. And based on that, this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, and these are two similar triangles. And not only that, we apply here the Pythagoras theorem. So that is point number 5. And based on that, we were able to arrive at what? That is BC by QR. And once these ratios are equal, all these sides ratio are equal, the corresponding sides ratios are equal, and based on that we have proved that the corresponding sides are equal, therefore corresponding angles are equal. Based on that, B is equal to Q. That is why the proof is given here. Are you able to understand?